In front of the state high court, Sean Grayson, the former deputy accused of killing Sonia Massey, argues for his release under the state's Pretrial Fairness Act. Right now, he sits behind bars in the Macon County Jail, charged with murder. His attorney arguing in front of the 7 justices that Grayson is not a threat to the community and should be released. WAD's Karen Iser was inside the high court today and is with me now to share more from the hearing. Karen?
Yeah, this case was brought to the high court after the 4th District Appellate Court found the state didn't present enough evidence to prove Grayson couldn't follow rules if he was released. 7 justices heard arguments from the Illinois Attorney General's office and then Grayson's team. Meanwhile, in the crowd, Sonia Massey's family sat and listened.
1279. People of the state of Illinois versus Grayson.
Arguing for release, Sean Grayson, the former deputy accused of killing Sonia Massey, wants out of jail.
Now, at this point, Sean Grayson is presumed innocent. And more importantly for this case, he, like every other defendant, is presumed eligible for pretrial release.
Grayson's attorney arguing he isn't a threat outside of his uniform and cooperated with the investigation after the deadly shooting.
The incident here, while obviously tragic, it happened during a unique high-stress situation that won't happen again.
The night of Massey's murder, Grayson can be heard on body camera recording telling Massey he would shoot her in the face.
No, I swear to God, I'll shoot you right in the face.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Drop the
The Illinois Attorney General's office telling the high court Grayson is impulsive.
This is someone who has terrible judgment. And if they cannot comply with basic expectations of society, which is not to escalate situations to this degree, then we cannot expect them to comply with conditions of release.
Justices noting Grayson didn't have his body camera rolling during the first interactions at Massey's home and his previous DUIs.
The fact that he got 2 DUIs, he complied with supervision, but he didn't comply with the don't drink and drive.
Yes, that part does not look great.
Massey's family says the former deputy needs to stay behind bars, and the Safety Act doesn't apply to people like him.
The Safety Act has the holes in it, and it's designed to, you don't keep Pookie and Ray Ray in jail for some stupid thing. It's not for a guy who's charged with 3 counts of first-degree murder and 2 other felonies.
Situations like this can't keep on happening because if Sean Grayson get away with what he doing, well, I just let action speak for itself.
All right, so there's no ruling today. Normally, justices return an opinion back within 3 to 6 months, and Grayson is set for trial in October in Peoria County.